Up first this evening, 25 persons have been murdered in Jamaica during the first 4 days of the new year.
The data means that an average 6 people have been killed each day so far, a statistic which is higher than average of 4 killed each day in 2017. St.
Andrew recorded the largest number of murders, with 7 people killed in the parish between Monday and Thursday.
Clarendon recorded 5 murders, followed by St. Catherine with 4, Kingston 2 and St. James 2. There were also killings in Hanover, St. Thomas, St. Mary and Westmoreland.
A total of 1,616 persons were murdered in Jamaica last year. It was the third highest number of murders on record for a single year after 2005, with 1,674, and 2009 with 1,680.
In the meantime, the killing recorded in St. Mary's, that of a 16-year-old boy at Highgate in the parish.
He has been identified as Tahir Piran, otherwise called Bigger, a student of St. Mary High School. TVJ's Kalisha Williams tells us more.
2 teens, one 16-year-old and the other just 17, both residents of Highgate, St. Mary. Residents told the ordeal of how an argument between the 2 boys escalated to the point where one killed the other.
Night before, at Highgate, and them and the boy have some grievance, I don't know, and then we down here and we go up there and we talk to the boy that killed him, and the boy tell me that he's going to kill him. If you not shoot him, he will kill him.
Miss Watson says she thought the 17-year-old boy was only issuing idle threats.
That's the Bigger same time. I say, Bigger, your mother down here, come go on down to your mother. And Bigger turn and come down, and then Bigger said going to fishing. And I dare say it start.
It is believed that 16-year-old Tahir Puran and the other boy got into another argument at a bus stop in an area called Capture Land. The argument developed into a fight, during which Tahir Puran was stabbed. He was taken to hospital but did not survive.
He's a nice little boy. Don't get trouble.
When the family visited the scene of the stabbing on Friday to pay tribute to the 16-year-old, his mother could not hold back tears. Shaken up by the incident, she declined to appear on camera. But as the family lit candles for Tahir, they say they are only hoping that justice will prevail. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.